Hey there folks, just a quick video today to share a little tip with you regarding cable management. If you look over here, you'll see that if you don't have a cabinet or a fish stand to hide all your wires, and even if you do, cable management is something you will need to address. With all the various components that we use to maintain and run our aquariums, we tend to have what seems to be a million cables, and it's a big tangled mess. Today I finally got around to doing my little cable management project. Very simple to do. As you can see here, basically these are cable management tools, I guess. I'm not sure what this is called. Give me 1 second and I'll find out for you. But you can route all of your cables this way and conceal them, making for a very neat appearance. So if we step back, that is neat and tidy. Your local hardware store will have a variety of cable management tools available. I purchased a kit by a company called Legrand, or maybe it's just the brand name. However, it's a high capacity cord cover kit, and specifically if you have a lot of cables to manage, you'll want the CordMate 3. This particular kit was made more for entertainment centers, but you can buy the elbows and a variety of other pieces like couplers and so on separately, or you can buy a kit which may be more economical. All in all, it's not expensive at all and a good value for the money. You'll see here that right now it's just a sticky back that's attached to the wall. I would imagine that over time that may lose its grip and you may need to screw it or into your wall. But for a quick fix for now, I just use the sticky adhesion on the back. Anyways, I hope this tip is useful, and until next time, like, subscribe, or comment. We build our community this way and can share and educate one another. All the best.